Deep in the forests of Scandinavia, a story is unfolding. A story about survival, growth, time, and the challenges ahead. A story about the grey wolf and its resilience to life and change. Here in an open meadow are the stars of the story, the Lightning Forest Pack. At first, it's hard to distinguish who's who, but each individual has their own coat patterns and personalities. The alpha female and her son, Stoat, go to bother Grouse, the loner of the group. By the looks of it, he's having none of their nonsense. The dominant pair consists of the bigger white female and her mate, the hulking grey known as Hawthorn. These two are the parents of the 6 pups and have done an outstanding job of raising their first litter to the critical nomadic stages. Aspen is a social and energetic wolf, playing with her brood, interacting with everyone, and often leading the pack's activities. Her more loner mate often sticks to himself. Now that the pups are older and don't need constant attention, he can focus on his own troubles, such as a horn or a nap. Surprisingly, the breeding pair are only 2.5 years old, quite young in the wolf world. This lack of experience will create an interesting point in this pack's life, leading to their rise or demise. But at the moment, all he demands is respect. The pups' personalities are inherited by their parents, and in the coming months, it will be interesting to see which traits appear and how they affect the pack and their own survival. Aspen whines at her mate, begging him to join her on a hunt. These social interactions are what keep their bond strong and maintains the pack's stability. The pair start to move out, leaving their brood behind. However, their disappearance isn't unnoticed. Young Stoat notices his parents' departure and convinces his sisters Myrtle and Cloudberry, as well as his brother Sedge, to come along. Realizing she's been left behind, Wren scurries to join her family. Lazy Grouse trails behind. He knows food awaits, and he won't have to raise a paw to help. The 6 pups are still learning the basics, so it's up to the alpha pair to do most, if not all of the work. Maybe today one of the pups will step up and help their parents succeed. In Scandinavia, moose form a majority of a wolf's diet, and the lightnings are no different. The pack may have to travel for days before they even find a trace of potential prey. Wolves have an excellent sense of smell, and this is often how prey is located, along with some luck. The family come upon a huge bull in his prime and full of testosterone. The alpha pair don't even bother trying to test them out. No need to waste energy on such a healthy animal. However, the young pups decide to have their fun with him. They continue on for hours, exploring much of their territory. Another opportunity sighted, a lone cow. chase is on! Aspen sprints past everyone and keeps on the moose's trail, her pack right behind. The more energetic pups are catching up, full of energy and ready to prove themselves. Sedge manages to grab a hind leg but is kicked off. The rest of the pack keep on going, with only Aspen attacking. The pups don't have Sedge's courage and seem hesitant. In fact, some of them don't even seem interested at all. Surprisingly, the cow stops and faces her attackers. Maybe she can sense the inexperience of the pups, but she turns and stands her ground. The pups are shocked, prey turning the table on the predator. The natural instinct of the wolf is to attack running prey, but when the animal stands their ground, what can they do now? Hawthorn arrives and the two adults try their best harassing the cow, trying to get her to run again. In the confusion, the pups scatter to their own devices. The moose won't budge and this hunt has ended in failure. Hours later, the pack is regrouped. Venturing deeper into the woods, the pack moves into the darkness. A few days have passed and a moose calf has been killed. The carcass is now littered with scavengers. However, the rightful owners have returned to claim their prize. Maybe the pups assisted in the takedown of the calf, maybe not. But by the looks of it, Hawthorn and Aspen did all the work. Nevertheless, everyone enjoys the new dawn. With full bellies, the pack can rest and enjoy their meal in peace. Or that was the idea. A sow brown bear and her cub had stumbled onto the pack, hoping to scavenge a free meal. Hawthorn is the first to wake and charges directly at the bear, closely followed by Aspen. The pups stay back, stunned and confused about the situation. Finally, Sedge starts their approach, followed by Stoat, Myrtle, and Cloudberry. The pups try their best to help, but they're more of a nuisance than anything. Out of nowhere, Wren bites the sow in the rear. The entire pack is here now, and the mother is on the defensive. Pressure of all 8 wolves plus defending her cub is too much and the pair retreats. The pups chase after the bears, confidence at an all-time high. In unison, the lightnings rally at their victory. They have learned how to defend their meal and contributed to their pack's survival. Now all they have to do is learn how to kill. Winter has settled deep into the forest. Vegetation has been hidden under a blanket of snow, and freezing temperatures make life even more unbearing. The brown bears have gone under to hibernate, and other animals have done the same or migrated south. The wildlife who can't do either must stick out the cold. Life is tough for all living creatures, and even the mightiest can fall. Well, almost all of them. Winter is the season for the wolves. The deep snow hinders their prey's movement and limited food weakens them. The webbed paws and light skeleton of the wolf allows them to stay on top of the snow while prey breaks through the hard crust. Prey vulnerability is at an all-time high, allowing for easy pickings. The pups in the lightning forest pack are almost full grown now, and even their father, who was already big for a young wolf, has grown into a massive male. Even with their bigger sizes and grown confidence, have they contributed to a kill? they can't be a burden forever. In the spring, their mother will have a new litter and Hawthorn can't feed everyone on his own. But that is the future. Let the pups enjoy their puphood before the real challenges begin. The pack rallies, ready for a hunt. Morale boosted and confidence rose, Aspen leads the pack deep into the woods, where the forest provides shelter and food for prey. A mother and calf browse, twigs and bark nothing compared to summer vegetation. Vulnerable to predators. The mother smells the pack and the pair run for their life. Running through the trees and deep snow, the moose have to break trail, allowing the pack to catch up. Tiring, the calf starts to slow and mother runs behind. The wolves need to get between her in order to secure a meal. Aspen gets past the mother and is able to bite the calf, but Mom chases the wolf off. This split-second decision exposes her calf to the pack. Mom and Dad hold the cow off. It's up to the pups now. The young moose runs for its life. 6 young hunters on its trail. Teamwork, the calf is surrounded and brought to a standstill. At last, all 6 pups are able to attack the calf. Success! The pups have contributed to the pack and have their first successful kill. With no further need to endanger herself, the mother moose leaves the wolves to their meal. The polar night will continue on for a few more weeks, then the sun will reclaim its throne. With spring's arrival, warmer weather will melt the snow and vegetation will grow back. The moose and other prey animals will strengthen on the fresh shoots and babies everywhere will be born. New challenges await the Lightning Forest pack. With prey strengthening it up and an increase in pack size, Hawthorn and Aspen have an interesting year up ahead. Will the yearlings be able to contribute to their parents and younger sibling? Will this following year be an eventful one? What will happen next? Find out next time on the story of the Lightning Forest Wolves. Hey, we did it! It's finished! Hi everyone, this is Lightning Asian or Storm or whatever you want to call me. Sorry about the crap mic, I don't have a proper one, and the one I have is broken. In the background will be some bloopers and extra gameplay. This type of outro won't be the norm. I'm starting up my channel again, I just want to have this here. I assume you've made it all the way through to the end of the video or you skipped to the credits or whatever. This documentary took my team and I almost 4 months to finish, from creating the script, getting body actors, recordings, editing, and a lot more. So for everyone viewing, the support means a lot. Also, this is my first time doing narration on the video, so go easy on me. I hope you all enjoyed this video though. The characters, story, and footage is all unique to me, and I would love to create more of this family and their struggles. All the music and scientific references used for this video are credited in the description down below. Thanks to everyone who could act as the wolves in this story. Without you, this literally wouldn't be possible. I apologize for kicking a lot of you from the Discord server. Inactive people weren't helping, and I only wanted active people at the time. If you have any issues with the names on the screen, please write a comment or DM me on Discord and I'll fix it. Shout out for my VIPs as well for showing up to almost every session and having great suggestions. I give you guys a lot of crap, a lot of it's deserved and a lot is not, but at the end of the day, you're all my friends, and I appreciate all you guys have done for me. Thank you. A huge round of applause and appreciation for Huni T, my second in command, who was there to help from the start, managing to find other actors, always there to help, advertising, and so much more. Thanks to Alpha Snowstorm, Maxie, and Wolfie for the thumbnail too. It looks amazing. I'll also apologize for my short attitude and rude behavior for the last couple of weeks of recording. Dealing with work, school, and trying to finish this video was a lot, but I'm glad it's finished, and once again, big thanks to all of you. I really do appreciate it. We do have a Discord server up and running. Please join if you want to help, discuss about the film, make friends, and more. Linked in the pinned comment in the description down below. If you're interested in future recordings, please ask in the Discord and we can discuss more in detail. Also in the Discord are the wolf character files with the personalities and traits of the wolf, so feel free to use them as you please. If this video gets lots of support and love and the people want more, part 2 will come out as soon as possible along with other recordings on other games such as Wild Savannah and Cenozoic Survival, so stay tuned everyone. If you enjoyed the video, there are other videos you can see on my other channel. For context, I created the mini documentaries called LCAP Hunt and An Aggressive Defense. I forgot the password to that account, so I had to move to this one. Leaving a like and subscribing helps the channel tons, and also comment down below which wolves are your favorite, names for future pups, what do you want to see next in future recordings, what do you like or dislike, and anything else. I appreciate all of you for helping out or just by watching. I'll catch you all later.